Okay, everybody, trying to get this top bin off this Whirlpool Gold Series refrigerator. This piece right here slides right in there. You get a screwdriver and just pry it open so it'll slide out. Do the other side the same way. Just to get a screwdriver and pry it. Pry open. And it'll slide. Then once you get the little piece off, which is that piece right there, that's installed right there, the whole top bin will just come off. I had hell trying to get it. No videos on this at all. I only got two. I can't show you, actually show you. I can explain it to you better, because I can't do it. I only have one hand, two hands. So I've been up all night trying to figure out how to get this top bin off. No videos cover that. And this is the key here. Just slide it, put a screwdriver in there, and that little tab right there, that square tab, you want to get that slide out of there. Once you get that out of there, just slide the little piece off. And that's the little piece right there. That's the little piece right there, and that's the tab right there that you see right here. Oh man, I'm trying to make it easy for you guys, but it's nothing. That's the tab right there. So it's a little small square piece. Once you move that, that's what's blocking the bin from coming out. It comes right out after that.